This chair is designed to make the evacuation process easy and comfortable for both operators and users. The HyperLite is made of a high-strength aluminum, which makes it incredibly durable but also lightweight. Weighing only 17.6 pounds, it has a weight capacity of 350 pounds. It has dual locking wheels designed to eliminate the risk of moving when stopped, and ergonomic handles to enhance control and reduce strain when transporting the patient. The seat and back are removable and can be easily wiped down and disinfected between uses. Footrest provides comfortability during the evacuation process and can be folded up when not in use. During transfer, the chest, lap, and leg straps provide extra safety protection. It also features portability handles, which ensure a secure grip when transporting, making it easy to carry wherever you go.